Hello, good afternoon. My name is Andrea Garcia. I'm going to start the project. This is my ED. So I'm going to start.
First question. Give some examples of technology that have made the world worse. Second question. Where do you get your news from? Remember to choose one question to answer.
I'm going to choose the first question. The question is about an example that the technology make the world worse. So, uh, well, I think that there is a lot of things that the technology make the world best, and even if it's good, so it's bad. And so, for example, I think that the app that exists in China, in the Oriental countries, that make your face put on on the body of another person. It's so dangerous. I know that the technology advanced too much, but I think that in this case, in specific, it's very dangerous because you can, I don't know, supplantate the identity of a person and take money off of your account bank, or make false information. I think that this app in specific is very dangerous. I know that is technology, but I think that in this case the technology is the worst, and it is important to control it, to make different controls about it, and that's all. Thank you.